In a quiet digital sky, where every voice can learn to fly. Stories rise and hearts can sing. This is the world of our King. Provo shining like a star, sharing dreams from near and far. Every thought and everything finds a home in our King. A place where minds connect tonight. A place where ideas feel so bright. Welcome to our King, where the voices softly ring. Share your story, share your dream, be a part of something seen. Welcome to our King, let your creativity sing. In this world where hearts belong, you and I can build it strong. Through the screens we start to see a growing digital family. Every laugh and everything lives inside of our King. From the writers to the art, from the games that light the spark. Every passion, everything finds its place in our King. A place where dreams begin to grow. A place where everyone can glow. Welcome to our King, where the voices softly ring. Share your story, share your dream, be a part of something seen. Welcome to our King, let your creativity sing. In this world where hearts belong, you and I can build it strong. Every voice can find its way, every night and every day. Together we can start a new thing, here inside of our King. Welcome to our King, where the future starts to sing. Share your world and let it shine. This community is yours and